Welcome back to our channel InfoRosan, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in this video, we are going to check the internship program provided by the government organization. And friend, it is a very good opportunity for all the freshers, college going students who all can apply for this internship program. And friend, this internship program is related to the renewable energy sector. So it has a very great value. As you know, renewable sector is a very growing field, so it has a very good opportunity for in your career. So friend, we are going to check all the details, what types of things you will learn and how you need to do the registration process. So please watch the video complete. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited. Friend, it is a government of India enterprises, and you can see here this company involved in the various types of solar energy. Like you can see in their businesses, solar photovoltaic, then solar thermal, solarization of ports, consultancy services, and they also provide the research and development consultancy. So if you want more information regarding this government organization, you can visit. I have given the link of this website in the video description box, from where you can check it. So you can see here about the various types of sections are given, like about us. So you want more information, you can check. So friend, we are going to check the internship opportunity they are providing. So friend, you can see here, once you come to their home page, then on the right side you can see here on top they have given the option career, in which you have to click on, and once you click, then you will get the internship tab. So you have to click on that, and friend, once you click, then you will be redirected to this page, and you can see here second internship is given. So you can see they have given the notification that interested applicants are encouraged to send their application between 1st and 10th of each month only. And you can see here also there is a link given for the registration, you can see. So for the registration purposes, you have to click on that. And also you can see here they are having some internship policy. So let's check it first, and then we will check the registration. So you can see here, friend, they have given that an amount of rupees 8,000 per month stipend you will get if your training period is less than 6 months, and an amount of rupees 12,000 per month shall be paid as a stipend to the trainees having training period more than 6 months to 3 years. So this is the requirement, you can see. And also you can see the internship will be on paid basis for minimum period of 3 months and maximum period of 6 months for engineering, MTech students, or CA. Then you can see some other branches are given, so you can check it. So let's see what is the registration process. And so friend, you can see for the registration process, you have to click on this register, and once you click, then there is a small application form will open. So before going to check this internship application form, if you are not subscribed our channel InfoRosan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship opportunity, and technology related videos. So please subscribe InfoRosan. It will help us to create a more content for you. So friend, let's check the application form. So you can see here a small application form is open. So here you have to provide your details like name, father's name, your date of birth, your educational qualification, and the qualification status that you are pursuing or completed, then area of interest you have to write, email ID. Friend, please provide your email ID and mobile number correctly, because if you are shortlisted, then you will get the notification on your email either or your phone number. Then you have to enter your address, and then you have to upload your CV and resume, and you have to also mention your desired internship period. So if it is good, then they can check and select you. So you can see here, then you have to provide your captcha, and you have to submit this application form. So friend, before providing the about details, you can see here some points are given here, like your name should be as per the 10th high school certificate, and similarly father's name will be from the certificate, address, your present address, contact number, you can see mobile number. So all the details what you have to need to provide, you have to follow this point. So like in educational qualification, you can see for undergraduate, graduate, postgraduate, higher studies, mention the discipline against the course selected. For example, you can see BTech civil branch or BTech computer science. So you have to mention here. So these are the requirement is given, friend. So please check it and fill the application form properly, so that your chances for the selection will increase. And and friend, please remember that you have to submit the application form between 1st to 10th of each month. So friend, if you like the video, please subscribe InfoRosan, and also please share this video with your friends, with your network, so that everyone can get the advantage of this internship. And friend, please subscribe InfoRosan. Thank you.